So this is the first in a series of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 lab tests for biotoxin illnesses that I was supposed to receive, but suddenly was no longer able to get, even though I had physicians agree to help me get better. I guess actually 12, because the full panel extensive Lyme and Lyme co-infection lab is also one that I was supposed to get. So the first one is melanocyte or melanocyte stimulating hormone, MSH. If MSH production is blocked by inflammation due to a biotoxin illness, level of MSH fall. Low MSH results in low melatonin production, causing sleep problems. Endorphin production will also be low, resulting in excess chronic pain and perhaps depression. MSH also controls pituitary hormone production, and if MSH is low, there will be a loss of hormonal control with several other types of hormones like testosterone. Finally, low MSH equals increased inflammation. So, ENT allergy specialists that had agreed to do these labs and work with the nation's top biotoxin specialist so that I could pay for the appointments and the ozone therapy to have my Lyme and mold treated. The reason that I needed this lab is because I was fainting, for one, losing consciousness, and due to inflammation, which is an allergic response, right? Allergy doctor, you know that, right? Don't you know that? 101. Anyways, the last time that I fainted and the last time I've taken thyroid pills, which now I'm going to have the opposite done, most likely. I don't know that they do surgery to remove your thyroid anymore, but there is a prescription, I guess, to actually block too much thyroid. And I actually do a lot better though when I'm not in places where there's cell phone towers. I don't have these issues. I don't have a leaky bladder, and I don't pee my pants every time I sneeze and cough. But the last time I did faint and lose consciousness, and it was the last time when I stopped finally taking the thyroid pills, because it was causing fainting from the time I would ovulate until the time I'd menstruate. Last time I almost bit my tongue in half, and I actually chipped. That used to also look like a vampire tooth. This one, I pulled out these molars, so it didn't end up going all the way down. This one did, and it had like a longer, like how my bottom ones are. And this one, that one was even longer than that. So I chipped my little vampire tooth there. And also almost bit my tongue in half, because it took a week for that to heal and for me to speak normally again. And the tongue is in the mouth is one of the fastest healing parts of the body. So for it to take an entire week for that to heal, I almost bit completely through my tongue the last time I fainted. So that's why I needed this lab and the other ones, because quite literally it put me in fatal, life-threatening situations, as this all these biotoxin illnesses being untreated and being ignored also do. So physicians that take a physician's oath, how about we try starting to save people's lives instead of trying to create rumors and defame them to cover up the actions of corrupt police officers that made really big fatal mistakes and almost killed a chronically ill person? How about it's time to tell the truth? How about it's time to start treating the root causes of illness? And how about it's time to get America better so that taxpayers don't have to pay for the fact that you all want to cover up root causes of illness, keep people sick so that you all can make big paychecks, and then worse, the big farm can have yachts. All right? Time to tell the truth, time to do the right thing. And it also has to do with, and I do have another video about it, it's really interesting that those of us that they don't want to help have certain DNA markers, but with having the HLA haplotype 11-3-52b. A lot of us are German Jewish.